Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start in Chrome, signed into the Google account you want to change. First, open Chrome and tap your profile picture. This ensures you edit the correct account. Once done, choose Manage your Google account, then navigate to Data and Privacy. This brings up activity controls where search settings live. Make sure you use the same account across devices because pausing here applies to that account only. Pause options will affect search and other activity. Now you're in Web and App Activity settings. Look for the toggle labeled Pause. Turn that toggle on to stop Google saving new searches and app activity. This is the core step. If you want a stricter pause, also uncheck Include Chrome history and activity from sites and apps. That prevents Chrome from sending extra signals. Once you toggle Pause, new activity will stop being recorded, although previously saved items remain unless you delete them separately. Finish by verifying the setting reads Paused, then perform a quick search to confirm nothing new is saved. If you want a clean slate, go to My Activity and delete previous searches or set a custom auto-delete period. If the pause doesn't take effect, make sure you pause the correct account, sign out and back in, clear browser cache, or check other signed-in accounts. Sometimes a different account continues to save activity. That troubleshooting usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.